Hey pirates, it's Miss Thompson. Parents, this video is for your student only. So if you can, press pause and let your student watch this video so they can work on a special surprise. All right, no peeking. I'm gonna give you just a second. All right, guys, so make sure, are you aware it's just you? Okay, so guess what holiday is coming up this weekend? Do you know what it is? That's right, it's Mother's Day. And we're not at school to where we can make something, but I'm going to help you be able to make something from home all by yourselves. And you're going to be able to make an awesome job so you can surprise mom or grandma or aunt or whoever is special that you'd like to give it to on Mother's Day, which is this Sunday. All right. So Mother's Day is coming up, and I'm going to give you a word bank of some things that you might want to use. Now, before we get to this, you might be wondering, well, how am I going to make this? In your supply bags that we sent home with you on Wednesday, your teacher put some construction paper in that bag for you to use. You also have your toolbox with your crayons and everything that you had in the classroom. So you have the supplies you need right there in that bag. Now, let's look at our word bank that we're going to use. We're going to make a special card for mom. Now, look in the bag and find the construction paper. Pick whatever color you want. All right? Then you're going to need your crayons. And you're not even really going to need scissors or glue. But if you decide to make something else for mom, you need scissors and glue, they'll be in there, okay? So I've written some things on this board. This says Happy Mother's Day. So if you make a card for mom and you need to know how to spell Happy Mother's Day, that will help you. What are some words that we can call our moms or the special women in our lives? I wrote mom, mommy, mama. We have grandma and aunt. And if you think of any others, right? Okay, so the project I'm going to work with you on today is going to involve tracing your hand. And why we do that is because moms love to keep your handprints from when you were little. So when you get bigger like me, they can go, oh, look at how little your hand was, right? So I want you to trace your hand. Now, if you need another piece of paper to practice, you can do that first. You're going to use the hand that you don't write with to put on the paper. And then you're going to trace with the hand that you write with. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to use my right hand and trace my left hand, okay? Now, I know a lot of you practice this at school a lot because we like to draw our hands and we turn them into different things. So this should be pretty easy for us to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of paper and you're going to put it at the very top middle and then trace your hand, okay? So make sure you get it all around. And the best way to do it is go slow when you're tracing it so you don't mess up. But if you mess up, it's okay because it's made just by you for your mom, right? So it makes it extra special. And then fill in the bottom. So there's my hand. Mine's going to be much bigger than yours. All right, so we put it in the middle at the top. And now we're going to turn this hand to looking like an O. All right, and in mom. So we're going to make the word mom. So what letters am I going to need right here? M, right? I'm going to need the letter M. I'm going to use my black crayon because it's going to show up really good. So I'm going to write 2 big M's. One on the left side of my hand and one on the right side of my hand, like that. You see how it kind of looks like it says mom? Yeah. So now we're going to do something cool with that handprint. We're going to take a yellow crayon. All right. Now remember, if I'm going fast at all, you can always press pause and finish that step and then press play again to finish the card, okay? So I'm going to take my yellow crayon and I'm going to color the inside of my hand yellow. Now I'm going to do it kind of quickly right now, but you have plenty of time to where you can color in your whole hand. When we see the color yellow, what does it make you think of? Yeah, it's kind of a bright color, pretty color. It makes people feel happy. When I think of yellow, I think of the sun. Does it kind of make you think of the sun? So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make some sun rays around my hand, because I'm going to turn my handprint into the sun like that. And now it says mom, right? Okay, so now my handprint needs a face. So you can put some cute little eyes on it and a smile, because when it is sunny, it always makes us smile. It makes us feel better when it's sunny outside, right? And so now I've drawn a little face on my hand. It says mom. Well, now we've got to complete it. Okay, so it's going to have a saying. It says, mom. What do you think it's going to say? Maybe, let's see. It's going to say, you are, and these are our sight words, you are my sunshine. Sunshine, right? And I'm going to put an exclamation point at the end of it because I'm excited, because my mom is my sunshine. So now we have a completed card with mom, you are my sunshine. Now I made one before this where I did my letters and my face a little different. So this is your hand. This is your gift to your mom. So you make it how you want to make it. So this one I made a little different. I did a different face and I did different ends. And I did my letters in a different color because purple is my favorite color. So for Mother's Day, you can make one like this or like this, or you can take your construction paper and fold it into a card and just make a card for your mom. Now remember, these are some of the words that you could use, right? Now, what else is happening this week? It's Teacher Appreciation Week. And who has been your teacher for the past couple of months, several days? Your mom. Most of you, your mom, right? Or your aunt or your grandma at home. So you could make her a card that says, thank you for being my teacher while we're at home, right? There's so many things you can do. You could go out in the yard, and if you see a flower, pick it and give it to your mom. So just know, Pirates, that we miss each and every one of you. And moms, and don't forget to tell your moms Happy Mother's Day this Sunday. All right, guys? I hope you have a great week. Bye.